Christina, Universe Citizen presents In the Beginning, October 22, 2023, The Pyramid and the Rope. It is amazing what may suddenly occur at the tuned-in, concentrated moment. That moment is when metaphysical intellect, as a consciousness evolution function of the Universe Eternal Omniscient Mind. It is the mind that designs all that is, all that was, and ever will be in motion and intertransforming. This is relevant information, as geometric models are freely available now. This is relevant information. It can bring everyone up to date on our individually unique, intelligent, innate ability in all humans. A pyramid and a piece of rope? Yes. Imagine someone, anyone, anywhere having a piece of rope in hands. But actually, factually, this is simply an exercise, hypothetical, not holding between two hands a length of rope. Everyone has picture memories. Seeing pictures of ropes coiled around, wound neatly on the ground, or hanging from a strong hanger, using a variety of words in every form of communication. Yes, even when saying the sound word God. While writing for publishing online, I will refrain from writing every culture's native language for the sound word God, saying and spelling the most popular name in the world, doing this uniquely, differently over all the land masses on the planet's one ocean world, different points of view, differently initiating holy books, said to contain all the knowledge surviving for hundreds of years and millions of printed pages. Unfortunately, the motivating competitive live or die as an economic solution is so irrational that the only truth and love will solve the inherited detriments referential to a different book of knowledge. Whenever we start with universe, nothing is left out. It is always easier to conceptualize universe's first subdivision. It is the model of constant relative abundance. In the Synergetics Book of Knowledge, Systemic Thoughts, Anticipatory Mind, while purposely learning a different reality basis, the energy of it is conserved as regenerating patterns in a constantly intertransforming, energetic, synergetic, most economical way systems can behave relative to unity and self in universe. Long live unity and equanimity. Experiencing the scenario universe is always differently one from the other's awareness, and deeply differently motivated curiosity as self-other love purposely invites inspiring thought from Universe Eternal Omniscient Mind by taking strong, thornless vines, twisting the strands for greater holding and other considerations, solving that category of problems. R. Buckminster Fuller's pyramid rope is generalization. Conceptually, all the local fibers are interattracted by omnicoherent gravity, as this was not before explained, and so it is at the beginning of discerning more truth from the generalized principle. A scientifically written mathematical generalized principle has one term on one side of the equal sign and two or more on the other side of the equal sign. How the rope is used illustrates its behavior from conceptual beginning, where it is size alone that can come to zero, not the conceptuality, the end of another new beginning, because those fibers, strands, threads from the rope illustrate the new or familiar object of interest. All those rope experiences and energy event descriptions of a wave, wavilinear, all wavilinear, are memory patterns, but not necessarily self-educated conceptualization while reading, recalling, forgetting, and remembering. If it is observed somewhere by someone with accurate energy event words, then this is of the vectors, areas, vertexes, degrees of motion freedom, a language referring to the geometry of thinking awareness of nature's tetrahedron, octahedron, icosahedron, vector equilibrium, and other events topologically and geometrically scribed in Synergetics Figure 935.23. The human events and energy event environments comprise aggregate accumulation of observations and articulations as the scenario universe, the cosmic to local, importing, exporting different frequencies transmitted at different angles, winding, unwinding, invisible paths. Yet to imagine every generation, the always overlapping generations, is designed to tune in, gather from the cosmic stream, the transceiver brain traffic, and every human event and energy event that happens locally to a grand design, grand strategy. The more our truth-loving curiosity, self-other interest in the most economic life support systems focuses on relevantly and accurately acquired information, the files labeled relevance, irrelevant would increase over the years, printed on megatons of paper, on computers, which is evolving as humans by the eternal mind designing. The choice cannot omit the two types of human life support on Earth, alluding to push and pull, exploring, experimenting, metaphysical support of life, and physical support of life. Ample samples are provided in the Synergetics Book of Knowledge. To be continued in the beginning 23. Reference: physicist R. W. Gray's server. provides our internet access to our Buckminster Fuller Synergetics, which I now call the Synergetics Book of Knowledge. Synergetics, Table of Contents, Synergetics 211, the omnisymmetry of wavilinear physical pulsations. Synergetics 311.15, Sublime, 0 equals 0 equation of absolute perfection. Synergetics 321.03, the proton and neutron always and only coexist. Synergetics 326, Universe as metaphysical and physical. Synergetics 502.22, EISEDP. Synergetics figure 935.23, proton and neutron, 3 vector teams. Vector, flexor, foldiform, the jitterbug. Contact Christina Universe Citizen at gmail.com. Thank you.